is a global digital consulting leader and a proud Cardinal partner, a true St. Louis success story. Proficient is shattering boundaries and forging the future with the world's biggest brands.
KMOX AM St. Louis, KMOX FM Hazelwood.
Fastball on the outside corner, strike one to Brendan Donovan, who was caught looking in his first plate appearance, and he had a rare off day yesterday. Probably doesn't like off days, I would guess. Dealing with hip discomfort. Next pitch is low, and it's blocked by the catcher, Hanley. Don't think the Cardinals will be running here, but you never know.
After the strikeout by Woman, we talked about making the penalty for Jeff.
Yes.
What did he do?
Next delivery is in the dirt again.
Oh,
By
boy.
Donovan.
Yeah, let's pull
That
right
is what we
into
call
the
medium.
ambulance's
I love
path.
that baseball
Oh,
term, medium.
my lordy.